Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get the best PS4 discount codes. So if you're still using a PS4, it's just going to be the same thing with the PS5 codes, and you can locate them in this website called playstation.voucher.discount. So that's all you have to type in your search bar. Again, playstation.voucher.discount, and then you'll be able to go to playstation.com right here from the codes that they're going to give you. So right here, there's a verified code like receive up to 35 discount on PS4 and PS5. So it's gonna show you the code, and then basically it's gonna redirect you to the site right here, and then you can actually buy a PS4 or PS5 basically with a 35% discount. So again, when we go ahead and check out other deals right here, like console and accessories on PlayStation games, probably on games you would like that. So you got Patient 25 right there. So let's just say you want Black Ops 5 right here. You can purchase that with a 35 or 25% discount. So it's just that simple. So again, the website is called playstation.voucher.discount, and then you'll be able to purchase it. You'll have to sign in, of course, and then purchase the thing that you want here in the PlayStation.com store.